Hello friends, in this video I will show how to insert tick mark or check mark in MS Word. So click on this insert symbol and more symbols. Font select here, Wingdings. Now scroll to end. So you can insert tick mark with a box or without box. Select and insert. And close it. Another method, you can insert tick mark in your Word document, any web browser, and type here tick mark. Type here check mark symbol. And in the result you will find, just copy it and paste in your document. And in some website you will see some more options with more stylish check mark. So thanks for watching.